yan.
More. How I made the pizza.
Nandito kami ngayon sa kapitbahay.
Okay,
Janela, you see the little girl making pizza.
all over. You spread
You
it.
see? Janela, you tell us how you do it.
Wow.
See?
Spread a lot of cheese.
Wow.
More. A lot.
Oh.
All over. Spread all over.
You see?
Lot.
Who make the dough?
Just leave it like that now. Just leave it like that.
Just
spread that.
Just sprinkle.
More. Yeah.
Yes.
Sprinkle it like it's shower. More.
The little chef, Janela.
It's good. Yeah. A lot of cheese is good. Yeah. Put it here.
Pizza. Melt it like when put in the oven.
You like it pizza? Janela?
More.
Your favorite.
More. Okay.
Mm.
Set.
Oh, is that pepperoni? What's that?
Okay. Take some. Spread
Mama,
it like this.
pepperoni?
Oh.
Bacon or meat?
Ham.
Ham.
Is that ham?
Kuwagaya.
Ham.
Kuwagaya man. Islam. Ham. It's not ham. Yeah? Put a lot of ham.
Unicorn. Karo-karo dyan unicorn. Wow, yummy, Janela.
Oh, it's Sunday. Oh, it's shrine, mommy. It's Sunday shrine.
Korek-koreksyonan na rin ito maging Lisa na. Magkatalikod kantong kimbaga na ni
Careful, Nella.
Din,
Don't
no?
forget, you're stepping on the steps too.
Janela. Very good chef.
Tagi mastik. Wow, pizza ni Janela.
Wow.
Janela's pizza.
Oh! Is that COVID? No. Cute niya ngumiti. Wow.
Almost ready. Okay? We make another one.
Oh, one more? Okay.
Wow.
Start again. So that I can see how you put the dough. Oh, the dough is there.
Wait. Remember, you're stepping on the steps too. Okay. Careful. Don't move.
Ay, dapat bitin na lang ito. We have to brush a little bit of oil so that it will not stick on it. Isang natin yung isang. Hadi mo ito.
Just rapidity.
Oh, okay.
Ang kaya gumagat ang temantik kayo matakul.
Nangina, 37 matan.
Ayan.
19 lang nga dati, 37 na.
Ting ko nang.
Yeah, tapos kosher mo tamami nun. Awanti ordinary. Itakos ko.
Awan siguro ti
Web.
sanda.
Pero sabi nila talagang ano, tumaas daw ang mantika. Yung 299 daw naging 5 na. Kung kunada mo dagay
All
kakadto
this
diya
paper
trabaho.
so that the
Kurang
will not
itikas
stick
di
on
nga
it.
size siguro.
Wan, yung mato nga ro din. Di ba 499 day ta? Kud nagbaling kan. Basta kasla dimobli ka po na daw.
Put the dough.
Oh,
okay.
like
Spread it again.
Oh,
Di sumnak dyan lang Sara.
yummy.
Nag-imas man ang naging...
Samayan tayo.
Wow.
Nagkakapay na to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
Nice.
Buwa nga sopa.
Dua sukat lang. What's the noise?
It's
Oh, why you didn't put that? You should put when you hear it.
Tapi niya usar na aja ni ah. Tipo rawid dyan.
At may mixer?
Mixer. Apa sa bala?
Yeah. New model.
Ito?
Yeah.
Ayan na, jekas dyan na ngayon.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Tuwan, damagan yung tigman ng ata $800. Nangin na kayo ng gi-oven nga ginatang ko kung natin Christmas.
800 no 80.
Agad.
May mga
Oven ka kami na.
mata nga. Regalo ka no ti birthday na adi yan kan Christmasan sa one problema to no October kan December. Alwada pa dyan.
Janela, why you don't have the roller? You ask Ninang why they don't have the roller.
You have to use roller in here. Just spread it. Spread it na ko.
Don't the
Just fill up the hole. The hole. The hole. Ipakita mo kanya dan ah. Hindi kaming ganyan tayo eh.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
we have to make pizza in fries.
here this that in that side.
Yeah.
Oh, para imas matalangan ni.
Yes, not enough my dough.
Ano gay pa?
Yeah. Just flat it like this na ko. Yan. Flat it like this. Grabe kayo di sa usawan tayo na ako Diyos.
Ikaman lang di Papang Bless, mabibising ka lang tayo kad.
Iso, kagdamot pang si Tita di mo pinapan.
Ikaman lang di ka na ni Papa.
Muli kayo ko naman sa mga tayo.
Ay Paulio mo ta mga ano, mabising ka tayo pa.
Mabisin namin nga taon ang kanya orasan. Cha, may mga nakita tabras ka na takwa. Katabit sa sauce. Baamon nga bangki-bangki. Baamon nga bangki-bangki.
Oh, kay Janela. Oh, that one first. Ay,
Okay.
ay ito last na ilagay yan.
Nah,
Sa ibabaw. Hindi pala.
should be like that. So that all the cheese can...
Cheese.
Yeah.
Oh.
Naglayin nga na kan. Nagarami ka. Do we have like pineapple?
Okay.
No. I guess so. Then. Do you like pineapple on it? Yap ka no.
It's Hawaiian? Italiano. Okay, the cheese. No cheese?
Cheese.
Janela. Cheese. Janela. Oh, bless you.
Okay. Go.
Do.
Hindi kami ni weather na nga.
So,
Ganyan.
okay.
Put more, put more. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot.
I will put here, then you spread. You spread. Here.
Kupa-kupan na.
Spread. Sprinkle.
Diyan na siguraduhan na yung masala ka.
Win na. Okay. Good, Janela. Amo na mo, kasi dyan naman na.
Oo na.
Kanina, hanggang tuturo tayo sa school.
Oh.
Na too much anak.
Yeah, that's That's good. Enough. Okay. And the ham, Janela.
The ham.
Kaya pag-atang ni mamang ko, matakay siya.
Maraming ham.
Eh, nagpagarawi tayo niya.
Tama. Natayang to robot at iba baong-baong nan. Ganin.
Yes. The bus?
May nagkakatong-tong lahat dito. Sana all.
Mm. Is that the way the bus pass? Oh.
Can you sing the wheels on the bus, Manila?
Okay, you sing.
While putting the ham. Hey. Come on, guys. One natin yung kita. Louder, ah. Then I hear it.
Good. Opo.
Louder, ah. Nakaligaw ni na
Oh, very good. Oh. Oh.
Oh, what about your song on your graduation day? Can you sing that? The thank you. No?
Why?
They didn't hear that. Come on.
Yeah, I didn't hear it yet.
Oh, what about the O Canada?
You know the old Canada?
Yes, Nina.
Wow, you see Janela how organized she is?
Alwada mata imang baro.
Dili lang sa bang kamot tinikat mo?
Nagoya,
Pero kaya sa
thanks.
kutsilyo. Makamatang ang manila at akamong nina.
Ano talaga nga gliling niya. Talaga, well, organized.
Galing nga ng organizer.
You see the little girl. Organized. Yes? Uy, talaga. Very nice.
Mayat pa ginagamit mo yung ginagamit mo ah.
Kung ayaw nga anay, ipinirsa-persay na. Sabi yun, hindi kasya, pinirsay na talaga. Oo, anay, pinirsa-persay na. Alaeng talaga. You see? Oh, then enough, Janela. They said it's not enough. That's good. Kita nyo man, pinirsa-persay na. Very good, Janela.
I don't.
Okay, that's all. Say that's all. Goodbye. Say here. Janela, here. You can see in the TV. You see? That's all. Thank you, my pizza. Bow.
Kunin ka mo yan.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Paplot tatuin ni Lulong. Ay, ninong mo.
Okay, come on.
Okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye yan, ah.
Say bye-bye. Okay.